Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Motorola VerveOnes buds to your Android phone. So to do this, you have to simply open this case. Next, you have to remove both earbuds, the left and the right one. And in the most cases, when you grab them like that and take a look for the indicators that are located right here on the left side of each button, one of it will start blinking a blue and a red. So it means that they are already in the pairing mode. But as you can see, in my case, I have to do this manually. So I have to click and hold both buttons and take a look for the indicators. As you can see, it's blinking quickly, red and the blue. So it means that right now these buds are visible to other devices. So I have to simply go to the Bluetooth settings on my phone, select pair new device, and select my buds. Accept pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.